Good morning, friends, and warm welcome to again all of you in our accounting lecture. And today is a very important lecture of accounting, and we can say that today we are the beginning of our practical portion from here. Then now in all the previous lecture we are discussing about all the theoretical portion which was asked or which will ask in your exam, but today we are starting our practical portion. Then so before start our practical portion, we should to learn about what is a different type of account, because in your practical portion you should to entry about the financial transaction. So each and every financial transaction create account, and you are the ledgering, you are the posting in your profit and loss account, in your balance sheet you are the represent a different account. So first of all we should to understand, we should to learn about types of account. Before starting about our types of account, I like to tell you something about account. So first of all, in accounting we are already learned in previous lecture, we are already discussed about it. Okay, what is accounting? Why we are doing accounting? Because in our business, in day-to-day life, we have the numerous transactions, so we cannot remember it. So what happened? So we are just recorded in our bookkeeping, in a book. Then after we are doing journal, ledger, posting, etc. thing. Why we are doing this all thing? Because in a day-to-day transaction there are the many type of the transaction, and some of the transaction are similar in a nature. So if we are writing all the similar transaction at one place, so at the end of account, at the end of the day, we can find, we can analyze, we can got it about what is a position of this kind of different account. Then so for this reason we are maintaining a bookkeeping. For example, if we know about all the income transaction of a day or all the expense transaction of the day, so if we have at one place this all the things, so at the end of the day we can total it, we can count it, our expenses, our income, for example our purchase, sales, we are recorded at one place. So we at the end of the time, at the end of the day, at the end of the period, we can find out it. Then so for this reason we are maintaining a account. When we are accounting, at that time we are giving a double entry, two entry of each transaction. One entry we are noted at a debit side, and one entry we are noted at a credit side. So one is the debit entry, one is the credit entry. Now when we are representing this kind of the entry. So in this entry what we are write? We are write a name of a particular account. Name of a particular account. Again, when we have the same transaction, same the nature of the transaction, so at that time we are again write a similarly name of accounting, and it is similarly considered in the account also. For example, if we are doing the purchase entry, so we write about a purchase account. So again, when same kind of the transaction, the impact of both the transaction on where? On a purchase account. ડન? સમજાણું? જરાક ટ્રાન્સલેટ કરી આપું તમને સરળતા માટે, કે જ્યારે પણ આપણે એકાઉન્ટિંગ કરીએ, ટાઈપ સમજતા પહેલાં રેકોર્ડ કરીએ છીએ તો બધા એક જગ્યાએ એવું હોય કે સેલ્સ અહીંયા ને બીજા સેલ્સ ક્યાં નહીં ને ક્યાં તમે લખો, જેથી તમને ખબર જ ન પડે કે રોજ શું થયું. એથી તમે એક જ જગ્યાએ બધી શું કરવાના છો? રાઇટ કરવાના છો, લખવાના છો, જેનાથી તમને એન્ડમાં ખબર પડે કે શું પોઝિશન છે, શું આપણી ઇન્કમ છે, શું આપણા એક્સપેન્સ છે, એની અધર થિંગ યુ નો. બરોબર, તમને ખબર પડશે. જ્યારે તમે એક એન્ટ્રી કરશો ત્યારે એક ડેબિટ હશે, એક ક્રેડિટ હશે. જ્યારે તમે ડેબિટ કે ક્રેડિટ એન્ટ્રી કરશો ત્યારે તમે એ ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન આખું નહીં લખો, એના બે અકાઉન્ટ હશે, એ ડેબિટ સાઈડ અને ક્રેડિટ સાઈડ. એ અકાઉન્ટના નેમ લખશો ને એની અંદર તમે શું કરશો, એ અમાઉન્ટ લખશો. એ પર્ટિક્યુલર અકાઉન્ટને લેજર અને પોસ્ટિંગને બધી અકાઉન્ટ તમે બનાવશો. કોઈ પણ પછી ગમે એટલા ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન હોય તેની ડાયરેક્ટ ઇમ્પેક્ટ એ સિમિલર અકાઉન્ટ ઉપર પડે. પછી પરચેસ અકાઉન્ટ હોય તો એમાં બધી પરચેસ રિલેટેડ ઇમ્પેક્ટ પરચેસ એકાઉન્ટ ઉપર પડતી હોય છે. તો આ રીઝનથી આ બધા ટાઈપના અકાઉન્ટ બનતા હોય છે. નાઉ વી આર ધ મૂવિંગ અવર મેન પોઈન્ટ, મેન ટોપિક ઇઝ ટાઈપ ઓફ અકાઉન્ટ. સો હાઉ મેની ટાઈપ ઓફ અકાઉન્ટ, દેન કેટલા પ્રકારના એકાઉન્ટ છે. સો મેની સ્ટુડન્ટ હેવ અ ડિફરન્ટ અત્યારે તો બોર્ડ ઉપર લખેલું છે, બાકી ઓલ ધી સ્ટુડન્ટ ગિવન ડિફરન્ટ કાઇન્ડ આન્સર. But there are the mainly and major two accounts. One account is the personal account and second account is the impersonal account. In the Gujarati 11th-12th we told that કે વ્યક્તિ પ્રકારનું ખાતું અને બિન વ્યક્તિ પ્રકારનું ખાતું. Here we have personal account and impersonal account. First of all we are the discussing about personal account, then after we are moving on impersonal account. So in the personal account, what is the meaning of personal account? When we have any kind of the transaction, at a credit, so what happen? So when we are doing a transaction on a credit, so there are two parties created. One is the debtor, second is the creditors. One is the debtor, second is the creditor. If we purchase a product from a Ramesh bhai and we are not pay to him, we promise him that we will pay you. So we are debtors and he is the creditors. If we sell a product to Ramesh bhai and he promised to us that he will pay in the future, so he is our debtors and we are creditors. So two parties at the time of the credit, two parties created. One is a debtors, one is the creditor, either a person who is the purchase, one is the sales. So if we are a businessman, we are sell a product to another person, so what happen? So a third person is either an individual person, either some kind of the institute, then so it's come in a personal account. How many items are come into a personal accounts? So these all the item comes into a personal account. Then so before explain it, you should to understood about what is a personal account. Then when we have sales, we have purchase different kind of the thing happen. A third party, a second party who is a transaction with us, either a living or non-living, or we can say artificial person, it is called a personal account. ગુજરાતીમાં તો કહું, જ્યારે આપણે વ્યવહાર કરીએ, ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન કરીએ, ત્યારે એક લેનાર હોય અને એક વેચનાર હોય છે. એક પર્સન લેનાર હોય છે, એક વેચનાર હોય છે. પછી લેનાર કે વેચનાર કોઈક જીવંત વ્યક્તિ પણ હોય અથવા તો કૃત્રિમ વ્યક્તિ પણ હોય છે. એ બધા કેની અંદર આવશે? પર્સનલ એકાઉન્ટની અંદર આવશે. પર્સનલ એકાઉન્ટની અંદર શું શું આવશે? રિમેમ્બર ઇટ. First one is the individual person. If you are the purchase or sales a product from Ramesh bhai, so Ramesh bhai account, it is come into where? It is come into a personal account. In a sole proprietorship, if you are the selling goods or raw material to a Gordhan bhai, a Gordhan bhai is a name, it is a brand of a sole proprietorship. So it is also we are not write a name of owner, because we are the write a name of જે સોલ પ્રોપ્રાઇટરશિપ વ્યક્તિક માલિક છે એ પેઢીનું નામ લખશું. સો ગોરધનભાઈ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો કમ ઇન અ પર્સનલ એકાઉન્ટ. ધેન આફ્ટર પાર્ટનરશિપ, a two partner when make a partnership and establish a business, and we are the dealing with this business with this partnership firm. So this partnership firm names also come into where? Into a personal account. Bank is also come into personal account, like HDFC Bank, SBI Bank, Reserve Bank of India. These all are come into a personal account because he is one kind of artificial person. Then after joint stock company, Reliance, Tata, these all are a joint stock company. If we sell or we purchase a product from them, so they are also our personal account. Cooperative society, different kind of the cooperative society also come in our personal account. Insurance company, LIC, then if you are taking a insurance from HDFC Bank, United Insurance Company, Oriental Insurance Company, this kind of the insurance company are come into a personal account. Then after university, school, trust, different kind of the university trust are also come into a personal account, like Gujarat University, Saurashtra University. These all are come into a personal account. Elite Institute, it is also come into a personal account. So I hope you all are very well understood about what is a meaning of a personal account. ડન છે, આટલી વસ્તુ છે. કોઈ વ્યક્તિ, જીવંત વ્યક્તિમાં ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ પર્સન આવી ગયા, પછી એમાં નિહાલ આવે, કાનજી આવે, ભરત આવે, રમેશ આવે, બધા આવે. સોલ્વ પડે એટલે વ્યક્તિક માલિકી હોય, ભાગીદારી હોય, બેંક, કંપની, કોઓપરેટિવ સોસાયટી, ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ કંપની, યુનિવર્સિટી, સ્કૂલ, ટ્રસ્ટ, આ બધી કેની અંદર આવશે? ધીસ ઓલ આર કમ ઇનટુ અ પર્સનલ એકાઉન્ટ. Then so we have two type of account. One is the personal account, second one is the in-person account. I think you all are very well understood about a personal account. Now we are moving our second topic, impersonal account. This second topic, impersonal account, have a different two type of account. First is the real account and second one is the nominal account. So in the impersonal account we have two account, real and nominal account. First we are discussed about the real account. Now in the real account, which kind of the account come? A firm or company trade or manufacture some kind of the goods, some kind of product. It's either trade or either manufacture it. So this kind of the account, trade and goods account, related to trades or good accounts come into a real account. And different kind of the asset which owned by a company, which owned by a business, it is also come into a assets. It is also come into a real account. ડન, સમજાણું? ઇમ્પર્સનલ એકાઉન્ટના બે ભાગ, એક રિયલ અને નોમિનલ. રિયલની અંદર બે, એક ગુડ્સ એટલે કે જે આપણે બિઝનેસમાં વેપાર કરતા હોય અથવા તો જેનું મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ કરતા હોય તે. એક અસેટ એટલે મિલકત, જે આપણી મિલકત હોય, જેની માલિકી કંપની રાખતી હોય, ધંધો રાખતી હોય, એ વસ્તુ આવશે. તો પહેલા ગુડ્સ અકાઉન્ટ. સો ઇન ધી ગુડ્સ અકાઉન્ટ, પરચેસ, સેલ્સ, આઈધર વી આર ધ પરચેસ ગુડ્સ, either we are a sales goods. So this purchase account, sales account come into where? In a real account. Then because it is a purchase of good, purchase of sales, it is a come into a transaction of goods. So it is come into a real account. Second one is the goods return. If we have transaction, we are purchase some goods or either we are a sales or goods, and there are some problem is created and they are returned to us. It is come into a goods return. In the goods return we have 2 points, purchase return or sales return. It is also come into a goods account, and goods account come into a real account because it is also related to goods. Then after goods withdraw, if in our business we are the withdrawing of goods, it is come into a goods account for a reason of personal uses, for a reason of advertisement, for a reason of we can that some kind of the unexpected thing happened, like a burning our goods, damaged our goods. This all are thing come into a real account because it is also connected, also related with our goods. Then સમજાણું કે ગુડ્સ રિયલ એકાઉન્ટની અંદર બે, એક વસ્તુ જેની આપણે બનાવીએ અથવા વેચાણ કરીએ અથવા તો અસેટ. ગુડ્સની અંદર શું આવશે? પરચેસ અને સેલ્સ, કેમ કે વસ્તુની ખરીદી લેવેચ કરીએ છીએ. રિટર્ન એટલે કે ખરીદાણ કે વેચાણ થયા પછી કંઈક વાંધો પડે અને રિટર્ન કરે છે. અને ગુડ્સ વિથડ્રો, ધંધામાંથી ગુડ્સ જાય પછી કોઈ પણ ફોર્મમાં હોય, એ કંઈ અકસ્માતથી બળી ગયું હોય અથવા તો એડવર્ટાઇઝિંગ માટે લઈ ગયો અથવા તો પર્સનલ એટલે કે અંગત યુઝ માટે લઈ ગયો, એ આની અંદર આવશે રિયલ એકાઉન્ટની અંદર. નાવ વી આર ધ ડિસ્કસિંગ અબાઉટ એસેટ્સ. In the assets, we are the consider a thing which a company is owned. First is fixed asset like the land, building, stationery. Not a stationery, furniture. These all are come into a fixed asset. Then after loans and advanced. If we are paying a loan in advance, it is our asset, so it is also come into asset. Then after investment, we are invested in different kind of the shares, debenture. So this kind of the invested is what? It is our asset. We are owner of this investment, so it is come into our invest assets in a real account. Then after liquid asset. Liquid asset means what? We are also tell them a current asset, which asset we have for a day-to-day use. For the with the help of this current asset or liquid asset, we can smoothly run our business. So how many things is come into a liquid asset, like cash, like bank balance, like our stationery, this stock, this all are come into a liquid asset. Then asset ની અંદર શું આવશે? ફિક્સ asset, આપણી જે મકાન છે, બિલ્ડિંગ છે, યંત્રો છે, એ બધી લોન નહીં આપણે પહેલેથી ચૂકવેલું હોય છે, એડવાન્સમાં ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કરેલું હોય, કેની અંદર તો કે ભાઈ શેર ડિવેન્ચર લીધેલા હોય. લિક્વિડ અસેટ, કેશ, બેંક, એ બધી વસ્તુ આપણી હાથમાં હોય, એ અસેટની આવશે. સો ધીસ બોથ ધ થિંગ, ગુડ્સ એન્ડ એસેટ રિલેટેડ થિંગ આર કમ ઇનટુ અ રિયલ અકાઉન્ટ. નાવ વી આર કમ ઇનટુ અ nominal account. In the nominal account means what? We are the consider all the things about the expense or losses or income and gain. These things are come into a nominal account. For example, expense is what? Salary. We pay a salary to our employee, it is our expense, so it is come into a nominal account. We pay our wages, we are paying a rent of building and any other equipment, it is our expense, it is come into a nominal account. Telephone bill, stationery, then after advertising expense also come into a nominal account. Electricity. So in the business, for a return, for a aim of return, we are doing any kind of the expense, it is a come into where? So it is a come into our nominal account. Now income. In income, what? We get some kind of the commission, dividend, interest. This thing is what? This thing is our income. So our commission, we got a dividend, interest, this all are coming to where? It is coming to our income. So it is coming to a nominal account. Sale of scrap, if we have some kind of the scraps, pasti આપણે જે કહીએ છીએ, we are sell it and we got it, it is what? It is our income. So it's also thing into a nominal account. So in the nominal account, all the expense and losses and all the income and gain come into where? So this thing is come into a nominal account. આપણી આવક અને જાવક ક્યાં આવશે? તો કે ભાઈ નોમિનલ એકાઉન્ટની અંદર આવશે, આપણા ખર્ચા અને આપણને થતી આવકો. So these all are types of account. It is very important for you because in your practical portion you should to write this different account. Then there are two type of account. Again I told you, personal, impersonal. In a personal account શું આવશે? એક જીવંત વ્યક્તિ અથવા તો કંઈક ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ ને જે હશે, આર્ટિફિશિયલ પર્સન જેને કહીએ. ઇમ્પર્સનલની અંદર બે, રિયલ અને નોમિનલ. રિયલમાં ગુડ્સ અને અસેટ સાથે રિલેટેડ, જ્યારે નોમિનલની અંદર શું હશે? એક્સપેન્સ અને ઇન્કમની સાથે રિલેટેડ છે. સો આઈ હોપ you all are very well understood about these types of account. It is a very important for you for as concept of your examination and for your practical portion. These all the things are you should to write in a practical portion. So it is a very important for you. So I hope you are very well understood about it. If you have problems, so read first of all in book, then after watch a video, or either watch a first video then after read in book. so you can get very well. And please remember it. Then please remember and yaad kari lejo, because it is a very important for your practical portion. In next lecture we will meet with our next topic. then ત્યાં સુધી રીડિંગ કરતા રહ્યો, વાંચતા રહ્યો. જય હિન્દ, જય ભારત. થેન્ક યુ.